Looking for a spacious rental in Ipoh Garden South? Welcome to 58 Jalan Chan Chee Keong. This double-story house offers 6 rooms and 4 bathrooms. Includes 2 double single beds, 3 single beds, and 1 master room. Five rooms with AC and fan, 1 room with a fan only. Fully furnished and ready to move in. Comes with a water heater, washing machine, and fridge. Cooking is allowed, perfect for long-term stays. Ideal for Shen Jai School of Commerce students. Just a 10-minute walk or 3-minute drive to Shen Jai. Close to Lotus's in Aeon Kinta city for convenient shopping. Interested? Contact us today to schedule a viewing and secure your new home.